If you're bored in math class, you can download and play games such as Mario or Pac-Man. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Flappy Bird for the TI-84 Plus CE calculator. But these steps are usually the same for other games. First, you'll want to go to the link in the description and download the game that you want. Then, extract the file by dragging it onto your desktop. Next, you'll need to download and open TI Connect CE, also linked in the description. Once you have TI Connect CE opened, you can't just send the files over to your calculator. Instead, you'll need to download the CEC libraries, also linked in the description. This is necessary for most other games that you'll want to download. But once you have these files, you won't need to do it again. Now that you have all the files, connect your calculator to your computer using a USB. Drag these files over, click Select All, and Send. And then you can disconnect your calculator. Now that you have your calculator, press the Program button, then select Flappy B and press Enter. From there, press any button to play. To quit the game, just click Clear. If Flappy Bird gets a bit boring, or you're running out of space and you would like to delete it, click Second and Plus. Select Memory Management/Delete, then select All. From there, find Flappy Bird and press the Delete key. Click Yes, and it's gone. These games have provided me and many other students with countless hours of entertainment. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like. On my main channel, I show off games like this one that I make for the TI-84 Plus CE. But on this channel, I like to show the behind the scenes. If you'd like to learn how to program for the TI-84 Plus CE, make sure to subscribe. This has been an everyday code tutorial. Thanks for watching.